Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learning Kids. So today I'll share some Play-Doh activity and tell you about the benefit of Play-Doh activity. Play-Doh activity are a great way to help your child develop fine motor skills as well as bilateral coordination skills. There are many other benefits from this activity. So let's start. Coordination skills development. Play-Doh play can help develop coordination skills. Your child will use hand-eye coordination to cut, poke and prod the Play-Doh and when using cookie cutter in the dough. Next is Play-Doh for bilateral coordination. Ponding and squashing are the great bilateral activity if they are done with both hands together. Encourage your child to pond a ball of Play-Doh to flatten it. If this is hard for your kids, do just a little ponding and then move on to squashing the flattened dough into the blob again. Repeat the pounding and squashing a few times before moving on to the other activity. Next is rolling balls. Break off blob of Play-Doh and roll them between two hands and make ball. If your child struggles, put your hand over the top and guide the movement. Rolling sausages. Use both hands to roll out a long piece of Play-Doh as shown. This can become a sausages, worm, snake, spaghetti or make a coiled pot. Next is fine motor skills development. Manipulating Play-Doh help to straighten hand muscle and develop control over the fingers. Snipping Play-Doh sausage help develop scissor cutting skills. Now make a pinch pot. Take a ball of Play-Doh, insert the thumb in the center of the ball and use the index finger and middle finger to pinch the outside of the pot. Now rolling a small ball. Rolling a small ball with the three fingers can be very tricky for the child who has poor fine motor skills. So give lot of encouragement and praise. It can help develop pencil control and better handwriting. So now at the end we will make some Play-Doh craft and having fun by making them. So let's start.